Hello and welcome for another video. For this video we have a Nintendo DS Lite Silver. The problem with this Nintendo is that when I'm plugging the power cord, I have orange light and immediately goes off. Of course it's not turning on. I hope you will like it. Of course the first thing you must do is to check if the charger is okay. So I plug it to a non-good Nintendo DS Lite.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
We unplug the battery, so we take the multimeter and check the voltage. As you will see, the voltage is too low, so the battery is dead. It's a good sign that the problem is the battery and not the console itself. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're